Hi, good morning to OneJoy students. How are you today? Have you used to it to the new submission homework? Actually started last week, Wednesday. The platform for submission the homework have changed. From Class Dojo, we have changed to the Google Classroom. Okay, so for our maths lesson, we'll have on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, I will send a teaching video to you. And Wednesday, Friday, we will meet in Google Meet and I will teach the online lesson with all of you. Okay, so as usual, today Monday, I'll send a teaching video to you. Okay, but the method have got slightly changed. Previously, the teaching video, I will assign new homework to you, and then you learn through the teaching video and then complete the homework. But started this week, have changed already. Okay, according to the school instructions. So Monday teaching video, we will discuss last week online class homework. That means today the teaching video is last week the online class homework that we discussed on the Wednesday and the Friday, okay, during the Google Meet online class. Actually, this is to help those students that are unable to join the online class, to help them to catch up the lessons and then they won't miss the lesson. And then for those, if you learn already, that means you have attended the online class last week, Wednesday and Friday. You can use this video as a revision to revise back what you have learned on last week. And at the same time, you can check your homework. Okay, for your information, the words problem, I got do some changes. I did not follow the story that we discussed. Okay, but it's okay. You just check. And then as I mentioned just now, we have changed the new platform to submit the homework. But it seems many students that didn't submit the homework through this Google Classroom. Actually, I'm wondering, is it students you don't know how to submit in a new platform which is Google Classroom? So I roughly tell you who have submit and who did not submit first. Okay, Google Classroom. Google Classroom, enter to your class. Okay, to check the homework or to upload the homework for me, actually you need to press on the homework button. You can see at the bottom here, middle at the bottom, classwork. Okay, actually different platform will have a different outlook lah. Okay, and I'm using iPad version, so this is a Google Classroom app, so it's at the bottom, classwork. But if you're using the web browser version, the classwork will be on top of the Windows. Okay, so here you will see two homework. One is addition and subtraction. So for this one, is last week Wednesday work. So by tap on it, so you will see the homework that you submit. So here is hand in, this button, this is hand in. Okay, those hand in, you will appear here. Okay, assign, I have assigned 7 students haven't submit. So this one is for mark. So 7 I have marked already. Okay, and then I scroll down, let you know who I have received. So I've received Nicholas, Iman, Isaac, Kaylin, Misha, Dayan, and Peiyao homework. Okay, so please check the picture here. Of course, I will assign the marks to all of you. Okay, according to your how many exercise, how many questions that you have correct. So please check the work that I have marked and attached back to you. Okay, and then for those haven't submit, so those haven't submit, they are Amber, Melvin, Fasran, Putri, Scarlett, Tansy, and Manlok. Okay, actually basically I feel like normally the mistake that you have made when you submit the homework is you did not press on the hand in button. Okay, you upload your photo already. Okay, you upload your photo to this Google Classroom already, but there's still one more button which is hand in. You need to press on the hand in or turn in button. So then I'll able to receive your homework. If you did not press the hand in button, I'm unable to get your homework, unable to receive your homework. Okay, so next one, another one is a Friday work, which is this one. This we are learning maths problem, a maths word problem. Okay, by tap in, so here there's only 5 students submit and I have marked already. Okay, another 9 assigned but I haven't submit the homework. Okay, those are marked already. Nicholas, Iman, Kelly, Diane, and Payout. Okay, please check the message and the marking that I have done for you. Okay, those haven't submit: Isaac, Amber, Melvin, Misha, Fasran, Putri, Scarlett, Tansy, and Manlok. Okay, these 9 of you haven't submit. Okay, just to remind, after this teaching video, please submit the homework through the Google Classroom. Okay, I think is the button turn in you did not press. After you snap the picture and then have upload the picture, there's one more button turn in that you need to press or hand in. Okay, so let me go back to my slide. Okay, come back here. Okay, next one. So today lesson, as I mentioned just now, we will recall back the homework on activity book page 106 to page 112. So the topic is related to additions and subtractions. Okay, this is a skill that we apply. Okay, the objective is you will be able to solve the problem involving addition and subtraction within 100. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for those if you haven't do especially those miss the lesson and miss the online lesson and you did not do, you may write down today's date unless for those you attend the online lesson, that should be last week date for this one. Okay, so this we are going to solve this question accordingly. This one, 51 minus 36 equals to how many? Okay, so you need to use the standard written method to help you to solve the problem. Okay, so for this question, 51 minus 36. So you do the standard written method at the side. Here 51 minus 36, then equals to how many? So 1 minus 6. 1 cannot minus 6. So we should borrow. So borrow from 10s here. 5 take away 1, 4 left. So 1 plus 10 is 11. Then you use 11 to minus 6. 11 count back 6 steps. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You will have 5 left. And then 4 minus 3. 4 take away 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. You will have 1 left. So the answer here is 15. Okay. Next one, we solve this. 14 minus what makes 7? This one. Okay, undo first. So this, for this question, you use 14 minus the 7. Okay, use 14 minus 7. So 14 in your mind, take away 7 steps. You can do the borrow and regrouping step as well. Okay, 4 cannot minus 7. So we cut, borrow 1. So no more. 4 become 14. 14 minus 7. 14, count back 7 steps. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So the answer is 7. Then you may write 7 here. So the next one, we are going to solve this one. Okay, that means you need to find 15 minus 7. Okay, undo. So I write it here first. 15, I minus 7. So 5 cannot minus 7. Borrow and then do. And I should change color. Then I will borrow. Then do regrouping. 15 minus 7. 15, count back 7 steps. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So here got 8 more left. Then I write 8 here. Okay, the next one. Next one is this question. This question a bit special. Okay. Wait first. I think I don't want to use this method. We better use this method. Okay. Same method minus. If we use this method, we need to add because the number at first for subtraction is a big number. So I need to use 29 and 8 add together, only are able to find this number. But I don't want to confuse you all. So we do all subtract, all minus. So we can use this one to find the answer. That means 51 minus 14. So undo first. 51 minus 14. Okay, so 1 cannot minus 4. We need to borrow 4 left and then regroup. 11, go back 4 steps. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7. 4 minus 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. So the answer is 37. Okay, So the next following question here. Let me zoom in a bit. So I got more space to write. Okay, so for this question, I'm not going to calculate for you. I just write down the method, then you need to find out the answer by your own self. Okay, so I think I'll find one with all of you. This one, the first one. This one I'll find with all of you. Okay, this is 75 minus 27. This one, 75 minus 27. So as usual, we use standard written method. 75 minus 27. Draw a line to find the answer. So this one. 5 cannot minus 7. So as usual, we take away 1 from the tens. 6. And here we have 15. 15 minus 7. Go back 7 steps. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So this one got 8 left. 6 minus 2. 6 take away 2. 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 48. Okay. So to find this one, you need to use 48 minus 19. So now we use 48 to minus 19. 48 minus 19. Okay, to look for this one, we need to use 27 minus 18. So 27 minus 18. For the last one, this one. This one is 75 minus how many can get 38. So you use 75 minus 38. So 75 minus 38. 75 minus 38. Okay, then draw lines. Then you solve one by one. So before you solve, you need to understand borrow method. 8 cannot minus 9. So what should you do? Borrow, take away 1 from 4. So now I got 3. After you borrow, you will have 18 already because 10 plus 8 is 18. Then you minus accordingly. Okay, same as 27 minus 18. 7 cannot minus 8. So you borrow and then regroup. 17 minus 8, 1 minus 1. Okay, the next one is 75 minus 38. 5 cannot minus 8. So we borrow 6 left. And then do regrouping. Now got 15. Okay, so this 1, 2, and 3. These 3 you try. Solve. Use the standard written method, find out the answer, and then you may write down the answer to the space given. Okay, I cannot show all the answer to you all. If not, you are copying already. You are not trying. Okay, for those not joining the online class that you did not do this with us. Okay, so the next one is page 107. So this one, you need to understand the picture first. Addition and subtraction story, activity 1. Look at the picture, complete the story. Okay, let me enlarge a bit. Okay, you need to understand the story first and then fill in the correct number. So there are some black marbles and some white marbles. The total number marble is how many? So we want to find the total. Okay, so we need to count how many black marbles and how many white marbles are there. So black marbles got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 black marbles. And white marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. White marbles, got 5. So that means 4 black marbles plus 5 white marbles equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals to 9. Then you may fill in the answer. So there are 4 black marbles and 5 white marbles. The total number of marbles is 9. Okay, so the next one, B. B got 2 types of different flower you can see from the picture. This one is one type. And this is another type of flower. Okay, Yinling has some flowers. Okay, her sister has some flowers. Okay, that means this is 2 different types of flower. There are how many flowers all together? The keyword is this one all together. So you need to find out the total number of the flowers. So before you start fill in the numbers, you need to check the picture first. Here, so this set, the first set, this set is Yinling flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So Yinling has 20 flowers. That means got 20. And then her sister, so the bottom here is her sister flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her sister got 4 flowers. That means 20 plus 4. Yiling got 20 flowers. Sister, she has 4 flowers. So 20 plus 4. Let me rub away first. This one. Oh, rub away first. Not very disturbing. Okay, come back here. So Yiling has 20 flowers. Her sister add another 4 more. So there are how many flowers altogether? That means 20 plus 4 equals to 24. So Yiling has 20 flowers. Her sister has 4 flowers. There are 24 flowers altogether. Okay, next one. So let's read the question first. Understand the question first. There are some tomatoes, and we don't know how many. Later we go back to the picture and check. Okay, some of the tomatoes are rotten. Rotten means like spoiled already. There are how many good tomatoes? So we want to find out how many good tomatoes are. So good tomatoes got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 good tomatoes. Rotten means these 2 are smelly already, got 2. So there are how many tomatoes? That means need to add together. That means there are 8 good tomatoes. Just now we count already. And 2 tomatoes are rotten. Okay, 2 of the tomatoes are rotten. So there are how many tomatoes in the total? So you need to count the good one and the rotten tomatoes. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 tomatoes. Total there are 10. So the number sentence is 10. At first got 10. But 2 rotten minus 2 equals to 8. Okay, as we practice, first number for subtraction is a big number. Okay, so we should add when you find for the first number. Okay, and the last one here. There are some spring rolls. Okay, some of the spring rolls are given to the neighbor. Okay, given to the neighbor, those spring rolls packed already. So now there are how many spring rolls left? Okay, so for this question, we need to find out the total number of spring rolls first. There are how many in total? So here, let's count the total number on the plate first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So on the plate, there are 21. Here, 21. Inside the box got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 inside the box. Okay, that means 21 plus 6 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That means got 27 at first. So minus 6 spring rolls are given to the neighbor. So now we got 21 spring rolls left. So fill in the answer. There are 27 spring rolls. 6 spring rolls are given to the neighbor. Now there are 21 spring rolls left. Okay? Done. So let me zoom out. Okay, then next one. Page 108. Page 108, look at the number sentences, complete the story. Okay, we refer to the number sentences given. This one is a number sentences. Let me enlarge first. So 55 plus 6 equals to 61. Okay, here got 1, 2, 3 sentence. The 3 sentences refer to different numbers. You need to fill in accordingly. There are 55 stamps. So at first 55 stamps. Arnie add another 6 more. Add 6. So add another 6 more stamps. Now there are, so total, there are 61 stamps altogether. Okay, B. The number sentence 39 plus 14 equals 53. So Sarah buys 39 buttons. She buys another 14 buttons. The total of Sarah button is 53. So according to the number sentence, the number given, we fill in the number and to complete the story. Okay, next C and D. Okay, C number sentence is 40 minus 27 equals to 13. So there are 40 passengers in the bus. 27 passengers get down from the bus. Now there are 13 passengers left. Okay. And D. D is 96 minus 38 equals 58. So Sufi father has 96 coconuts. He sold 38. So means no more. Give already. Already sold out. 38 of the coconuts. There are 58 coconuts left. Okay. So this one seems easy. Okay, the next page is page 109. So we need to create story from the given picture for this exercise. Okay, so there are helping words and number given. For the first one, got 15 nasi lemak, and then another 8 more. So 15 is refers to the nasi lemak on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here got 15 nasi lemak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here got 8 nasi lemak. This means 15 plus 8. Why I say plus 8? Because here all together. So the word given all together, we need to add. So 15, add 8 more. 15, we count on 8 more steps. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this one is equals to 23. So 15 plus 8 is makes 23. Okay, so now here we need to, done first. So here we need to type the story. Okay. Okay, city. So we give people name first. City has 15 nasi lemak. And full stop. Next one. Another people. Dora has 8 nasi lemak. Full stop. Okay, and then one more sentence for 23. They have 23 nasi lemak, and the word all together. Okay, so here is a story. And then the next one, we need to understand the story first. Here the basin got 39 tomatoes. So here got another 12 more. And the keywords given, tomato, total. Okay, so because of total here, we need to find the total number. That means 39 plus another 12, because we need to find the total. 39 plus 12. So 9 and 2 makes 11. 11 need to do regrouping. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. So the total is 51. Okay, so now let's come out the story. Okay, now if you want to try your own also can, but make sure your grammar, your spelling, everything correct. Has 39 tomatoes. Stop. And then another sentence. I like to make one number in one sentence, like that will look neat. Then she add another 12 tomatoes. She add another 12 tomatoes. And enter the last sentence. She has 51 tomato in total. Okay, we use the word total already. She can make bigger a bit. Okay, can. Like this. Then next one is C. C, the helping words given got cups broken left. Okay, so we need to find out how many cups here got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 9 cups in total. So broken, 4 broken. So 9 minus 4 equals to how many left? Good one got 5. That means the number sentence is 9 cups minus 4 broken equals to 5. But we need to make a story. Okay, we need to make a story to complete this number sentence, make it more meaningful. Okay, when we create a story. Okay, there are 9 cups. Then 4 cups are broken. Okay, this one seems simple. There are 5 cups left. Okay, done. Okay, and the last one here. I think last one I better zoom in a bit. The last one, D. So the helping words got mangosteen, eaten, left. Okay, so first let us count, find out the number of mangosteen first. This one cannot see. Okay, here. So here got 40 mangosteen. So 10, we can see 10 mangosteen is eaten by someone already. Okay, so that means it's minus. At first got some mangosteen. Okay, at first got some mangosteen. So eaten 10 eaten. Then left 40 left. So how to find the first number here? To find the first number, we need to add 10 plus 40. Okay, so we will know the number at first. At first got how many mangosteen? So 10 plus 40 is 50. So let's try to solve the story. Make first smaller, a bit too big already. Okay, so for this one, Abu has 50 mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen. Oh, wrong spelling. Mangosteen. Okay, enter. Then he ate. Eaten. Okay, eaten the word. 10 mangosteen eaten by Ali. They are. Go back. Abu has 40 mangosteen left. Okay, done. Arrange nicely. Put back smaller. Okay, so I'm going to the next page already. If you're not copy it, if you're not done yet, for those have not done yet, you may pause the video. Okay, so I move on to the next one already. The next one, the same thing. Create a story from the number sentences. So for this one, we enlarge first. We do together. Okay, this 15 plus 6 equals 21. And the helping words is red ribbons, yellow ribbons, all together. Okay, done. And then, so let's create a story. 15 plus 6. So obviously, got 2 types of different color ribbons. So 15, there are 15 red ribbons and 6 yellow ribbons. Okay, full stop. And then the last word altogether. Altogether is a total number of 15 and 6. So there are 21 ribbons altogether. Okay, done. Like this. Okay, and then the next one. The next one number sentence is 37 plus 19 makes 56. So we need to make different story already, So for B, we give 2 different names. Isaac has 37 candies. And then next sentence, another people. Man has 19 chocolate lah. Chocolates. Okay. They have total number is 56 snack. Because candies and chocolate consider snacks. Snacks. They have 56 snacks in total. Okay. So the next, wait. Going to go up. Why cannot? So difficult. Can already. Slowly move up. Slowly move up. Okay, so the C number sentence given is 12. So from 12 minus 8, take away 8, still got 4 left. Okay, so now we create another story. Refer to the minus 8 12 minus 8. Mr. Chan has 12 curry puffs. And then he give 8 curry puffs to Josh. Okay, he give 8 curry puffs to Josh. He has 4 curry puffs left. Okay. So the last one is here. 48 minus 34 equals 14. Let me move up a bit. So also minus. Okay. So you take away. Misha has 48 pencils. Okay, she gives he's going to ask gives she gives 34 pencils to her sister. Okay, she has 14 pencils left. Okay, so enlarge a bit. Okay, let me zoom smaller. Okay, for those if you're not done yet, I'm going to next page already. For those if you're not done yet, you may pause the video. Okay. And then next one, we are going to solve the words problem. Okay, so the words problem given, we need to understand the words problem and solve it accordingly by write down the number sentence. This space is for standard written method. Standard written method is your calculation, and last one you write down the answer that you found. Okay, let me undo first. So let's read the story. Hamidi collect 23 Malaysia and 9 Singapore stamps. That means 23 is Malaysia stamp, 9 is Singapore stamps. How many stamps all together? So all together is what? Is plus of? This means 23 plus 9 Singapore stamps equals to how many? You need to find the answer here. Okay, and then the space, this one, you do the standard written method. 23 right side by side on top plus 9 in the middle. Then use your ruler. I don't have ruler function here, so I cannot have ruler. Then you add 3 plus 9. 9 in your mind, add 3 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12. So 3 and 9 actually is make 12. So 12, 2 ones here. And digit 1 is tens here. Should do regrouping. 1 plus 2 is make 3. So the answer is 39. Okay, so there are how many stems altogether? So write down, oh sorry, not 39, 32. Wow, so blur like that. So there are 32. So there are 32 stems altogether. This one is 32. Okay, next one. Armin has 9 postcards. Jesno has 9 postcards too. Find the total number of postcards. The keywords here is a total number. So we need to add up the number of postcards for the Armin and Jesno. So Armin 9 postcards. Jesno another 9 postcards. So number sentence is 9 plus another 9 more and makes. You need to find out make how many here. So below here is a standard written method. 9 plus another 9. So 9 in your mind, add another 9 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. 9 plus 9 makes 18. So what is the answer here? The total number of postcard is 18. Sorry, my space a bit small. Okay, done. And now we move on to the last one. Last page 112. Nisa reads 8 story cards. Her brother read 10 story cards. Calculate the difference of the story cards. Different is a keyword. This different. Okay, so to look for the difference, you need to minus. Let's record the number of story card that Nisa and brother they have read first. Nisa read 8 story cards, so we write down 8 here. And the brother read 10 story card, brother 10. So what is the difference between the number of story card they read? So minus. So minus always use the big number minus the small number of course. So 10 is bigger. So you write 10 first. Minus 8 equal. Below here do the standard written method. 10 right at the top minus 8. 8 same line with 0 and draw line. And then you may minus 10 minus 8. 10 cannot minus 8 but need to borrow But this one easy 10 without the step you also understand already Also 10 minus 8 10 take away 8, so count back 8 steps 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 2. So the difference is 2. The difference of the story card is 2. Okay, and the last one here. There are 35 mangoes. 12 mangoes have ripe. How many mangoes that has not ripe? So number of mangoes here is how many mangoes that has not ripe. Number of mangoes got 35. So number of mangoes that ripe is 12. Let's have ripe. And then how many has not ripe? We need to minus. This means 35 minus 12 equals to, you need to find out how many by using standard written method. 35 right on top first. Then minus 12, right accordingly to the place value, tens and ones. Then you may start minus. 5 minus 2. 5 can minus 2, so no need to borrow. 5 count back 2 steps. 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3 here. Then 3 minus 1. 3 take away 1 is 2 left. So the answer is 23. There are how many mangoes that have not ripe? Which is 23 mangoes that have not ripe. Okay. So done. So thank you to all. That's it for today. So we just recall back and revision again the homework that we have done. So please remind to submit your homework to Google Classroom. And remember, after you upload your homework photo to the Google Classroom, remember tap the hand in button. Tap the hand in button, then you're able to send out the homework. Okay, thank you.